3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax your hands. Both hands up, inhale, stretch your arms and just look up. Exhale, slowly bring your hands down and look down. Inhale, both hands up, stretch your arms and look up. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down and look down. Both arms up, inhale, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and look up. Exhale, slowly, both arms down, look down. Inhale, both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, then relax your hands, both arms down. Both hands up, inhale, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and exhale, then push your shoulder behind. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax your hands. Again, both hands up, inhale, finger lock, palm facing up. And exhale, just push your shoulder behind and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, then relax your hands. Both hands up, inhale, finger lock, palm facing up. Exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back. One more time, exhale, bend on the right, and now stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, then relax your hands. Your right hand on your left knee, left hand up, inhale, stretch your left hand and exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Now right hand up, inhale and exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Once again, left hand up, inhale and exhale, bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Left hand, right knee, right hand up, inhale and exhale, bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax your hands. Put your hands again behind of your head, either some more. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, lift your head, and then try to push your deep front and drop your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, lift your head and then try to push your deep front and drop your head. 1. Opening in your shoulder and in your upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back, push your hip down, palm on your knees and squeeze, look down and then relax. Right hand, left knee near hip, inhale, exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the left. Inhale, come back and exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, come back, exhale once again, turn on the left and look back. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back. Open your arms, shoulder level, down tight. Inhale and exhale, turn on your left side. Try to keep your both palms aligned in a one line. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on your right side. Just a little try. Inhale, come back. Once again, exhale, turn on your left side and hold for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, turn on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on your knee, squeeze and look down. And now relax. Tangent, your legs straight. A little open legs and move your legs. Move your knees up and down. Both legs closer. Toes point. Flex your feet. Toes point. Flex your feet. Toes point. And then flex your feet. Now make a rotation. Ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Relax. Come in the butterfly. Feet together and swing your both knee together. Place your palm on your knee and push your both knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Maintain here first. Inhale, exhale and bend down and just try to touch the mat. 1, Focus on your hip stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Bend your both legs. Gotcha. And once again, come back in the butterfly. Second time. Finger lock from behind, down by Saolong. Inhale and exhale. Same. Just try to be bent down. Push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Gupchan again, chukchan, bend your legs, knee feet together, hands behind hip. Inhale, open shoulder, will go in the table pose. Lift up your spine, your rib cage. Exhale, just lift your hip and drop your head. Maintain your arms straight from your shoulder to wrist line. Knee feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push your hip down, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Second time, same, leg height. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, lift your hip first, maximum up, lean, and now 2, third high jump. Keep your both legs straight. Maintain your upper back position. 1, lean. 2, focus more on your upper back strength. Jump swap. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale, push your hip down. High thigh lean. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze one. Bend down. Try to touch your feet and flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, finger lock from behind, down by Saolong. And again, squeeze one, bend down. Your legs straight function and flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Jump thigh, open arms to your shoulder level. Inhale and exhale, turn on the left side, Sanchai in the twisting. Palm align in a one line, push your hip down. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on your right side. Palm in a one line, push your hip down and suck your stomach in. Inhale, come back, exhale, once again, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on your right side, the same. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Jump action. Open your both legs to your sidewise. Everybody turn on your right side. Hold your right foot. High thigh elbow, Vanchan 5. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. And also lock your knee. Turn on your left side the same. High thigh elbow, Vanchan giant. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot. Come back. Second time, turn on your right side. Hold your right foot and flex relax your right foot. Stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, turn on your left side. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now relax. Come back. Bend forward. Squeeze one. Thang tay or gap tay. You can arm straight or you can drop your elbow. Or if you are a beginner, you can use a block under your both hands. 1, 2. Keep pushing your hip out and lengthening your spine. Mong Sao and Thang Lung. 4, 5, and 6. Come back, everybody. Jang Tai, open arms, your shoulder level. Tai Fai Sao Lung, right hand on the back. Left hand up, inhale. Exhale, bend on your right side. Try to a little keep your chest out. Do not squeeze your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Left hand on your back. Right hand up. Push your spine in so that it will be straight, and then bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Squeeze one, bend down. Forward fold. Your arms straight. You can drop elbow. You all know all the options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Chuasong. Both hands up. Hai tai lên. Chuk tai or down tai. Finger lock, or you can palm together. Inhale and exhale. Bend on your right side. And now just stay here. Same thing. Push your spine in and little try to push your arms behind. Hai tai sao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your left side the same. 1, 2, 3. Handai, arm straight. 4, 5, 4, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Hai tai swan. Bend forward. Koi swan. Same options you have. 1, push your knee down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax, come back. Chuasong, last round. Hai tai lên, both hands up. This time, just a little gap in between your arms. Your arms should be apart from each other. Inhale, stretch your arm, and exhale, then bend on the right side. When you bend on the right, tap chung thing, tai chai. Focus on the left arm more. Keep extended more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side the same. You have to give your whole sideways extension. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was closer. 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, nice one, relax your hand. And then on the learn. This one. One more time. Bend down. Bend forward. Come on. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. And keep pushing your hip out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so very good. Relax, come back. Tangent, your legs together. Relax, relax, move your legs. Move it, move it, move it, move it. Move for some time. Just move it. Your toes in and out. You can relax up and down. Anything, just for relaxation. Relax your muscles. Jantai, open out, shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, Sanjay, turn on your left side. Come back, inhale, exhale, turn on your right side. Come back, inhale, exhale, turn on your left side. Try to push your hip down. When you twist to the left, so push your right side of the hip. Come back, inhale, exhale, turn on your right side. Push your left side of the hip. Come back, inhale, exhale, push bend down, forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Bend your legs, gapchan. Hold your big toes, nam hai gonchan. Both legs up, high chan lane. Jump high chan, open legs or side pass. Any member can, so they can hold your heel. They can try also. Another option you have. 1, Thanglung. 2, 3, 4, Thanglung. 5, and now 6. Both legs together. High chan swan, both legs down. Relax. Thanglung, your spine straight. Open arms to your shoulder level. And you have to be turned on the left side. Drop your right hand on the left side. Right hand. And try to open right hand on the left. Maximum. But feel enough, then your left arm straight over the head and try to look up. Give your upper back twist. If any member have enough flexibility, so even they can try to hold your right big toe from your left hand. Depends on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, and now relax, come back. The same practice, another side. Jantai, open arms, and your left hand on the right first. First, move your left hand as maximum on the right. And once you feel enough, then keep your right arm straight over the head. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, And now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Quiz one, bend down just for relaxation. Have a 3-time deep breath. Balan hit both toes up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then exhale. Relax. Come back. So maintain same position. Your left leg straight. Only your right leg on the right side. Right hand on the right leg. You can hold your big toe or you can hold your ankle. Lift your right leg. Keep your chest out and then look up. Any member they feel this is quite difficult, they can bend the leg. Keep the leg straight. Still you feeling you cannot do it, so you can put your leg front, hold with your both hands and pull your leg to your side. You have the options. Come on, try. Go for it. We already did the hip stretch. We already worked on the twist. All the preparatory practice has been done. So now you can try. Good. One, two, okay, 3, 4, tabi, 6, and now relax. Come on, good. Relax your leg. If any posture you can't hold, so you can come back on the posture which you can easily hold. But please try to stay in the posture. Another side, come on, take your time. Left leg. Might be your body is not prepared for some level. So accept yourself and go for the another option. 1, 2, look front, knee down. 3, relax your neck. 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Very nice. Keep your both legs straight. Janta hai, open arm, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. And exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, once again, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. And exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back and exhale. Now relax. Again, open legs a bit sidewise. Drop your both elbow inside, in between your both legs. So option 1, gug back. Just take. Option 2, arms under leg and then try to be bend down. Twist one. I'm giving you options so that you can decide what yourself, like what you can do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Very nice. Come back. Thanjan. Everybody keep your both legs straight here. Relax your legs. Your left leg put on your right upper thigh. And your right leg put on your left upper thigh. Come in the lotus pose here. If somebody is having the problem or the pain, any injury, knee or your ankle especially, so please avoid it. Another reason might be because of the stiffness of your hip, can do it, so please do not force yourself. You can put the leg under your hip. Okay, I think almost we done in this posture. So second practice, from here you have to be lying with the back. But lying with the back, again I am giving you option. You can drop your both elbow. If you can maintain this position, then you can lie with the back also. But taking care, lying in the back, if your knee is going up, better you skip it and you drop elbow, but try to push the knee down. When you pushing the knee down, so that it will affect the opening of your hip, like on the ground position. Yeah. You home? Tapi? Right?
Các chị đừng nhấc chân lên thì như thế kia thôi. Còn luôn có thể giữ cái chân xuống cho nó mở ra.
Yes. 1, 2. If you have down, so drop and go back. Yes, maintain here. This is only for you. Good, straight. Okay. You don't need to lie down. If you can't complete the pose, you don't need to lie down. Because we are using the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. If you're still struggling this pose, just stay sitting. Okay, come on, come back. Chuason, not finished yet. Okay, relax. Relax, relax. Okay, relax. Other side. One practice is enough. Try other side, change your leg. Now your right leg first and then your left leg. Make sure your ankle should become on the upper thigh and your heel to the hip. Do not practice here. It can be harmful for your ankle. Come on, come on, come on, try. The same options you have. You can drop elbow, you can lie with the back. Any one thing, just try. One. Do not put yourself in the pain, please. My request to all of you. I will not be happy to see you in pain. I want to see all the beautiful faces with a smiling face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so come back. Relax. Tanjan, your legs straight. Relax your legs, move your legs. Downward facing dog. Your legs straight. Your spine straight. And your arms straight. Keep pressing your palm and your heel. Chanchai lane, your left leg up. Left leg in between your both arms. Both hands on your left knee. Right leg straight here, thumb loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Both hands down, thighs one. Left leg straight. Flex your left foot and touch your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Once again, bend your left leg, Gap Chanchai. Both hands up, palm together in the high lunge. 1. Now this is a bit intensive flow, but I will take you slowly, step by step. 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Inhale, exhale, Tai Swung. Left leg straight again, Thang Chân. Now ready for challenge a bit. Dan Tai Sao Lung. Inhale, exhale, then bend down. If you are feeling uncomfortable, feeling unbalanced, to raise your right heel, so you can drop your right heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Tai Swung. Relax your hands here. Again, bend your left leg. Inhale, both arms up, palm together. Exhale, Tai Swung. Hand side of your left leg. Chân Phai Leng in the standing split pose here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, and now relax. Chân Phai Swung. Same position last time. And here, Chân Chai Leng. Your left leg up. Hip square. Just focus on that. Do not focus how maximum you are lifting your leg. Focus on alignment. Hip square. Thang long. Hold your Chân Chai. Sao. Downward dog. And now check on Chân Chai. Chân Chai Chuak. Left leg in between your arms. Everybody, high Chân squat. Front split pose here. Come on. Do not have the blocks. Hold it, hold it. Mid. Use it. Mid. 2, 3. Unit. You can try the block for you. Sit on it. Yes. Take one more if it's painful for you. Take 3. No problem. Very good. Relax. Tatka Thang Chân. You relax your leg. Put leg straight. Thang Chân, Thang Chân, Thang Chân. Relax. Dan Tai, open arms. Inhale. Exhale. Twisting left side. We no need to do so many postures. We can do a little, but we can practice more on it for perfection. Inhale, exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale again on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Kui Swung, bend down, forward fold, Paschimottanasana. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Downward facing dog. Right leg up, Chân Phai Leng. Right leg in between your arms, Chân Phai Chuak. Both hands on your right knee. Thang long, spine straight, and just stay. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Thangchen, your leg straight. Thighs on, both hands down. You can touch your leg, or if you can more intensive, flex your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gapchan 5. Bend your right leg. Both hands up. Hai tai lên, the high lunge. Thang tai thang lung. Mong suang, thang chân chai. Your arms straight, spine straight. Your left leg straight. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thang chân, your leg straight. Down tai sau lưng, finger lock from behind. And then again, quiz one, bend down, thang chân, left straight. Try to raise your left heel, but unbalanced, so you can drop your left heel. Option. 1, thang chân, left straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Once again, Gapchan 5, Thai Tai Lane. Bend your right leg, both hands up, inhale. Exhale, both hands down, relax your hands. And now Chan Chai Lane, standing straight. Chan Chai Lane, left leg up. Chan Chai Lane, Chan Chai Lane, Chan Chai Lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax your left leg, Chan Chai Swan. Now Chan Phai Lane, right leg up. Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between your arms. And now the front split posture. Hai Chan Swa. Monkey pose and Manasana. You take your time. You can do your normal practice, your sporting practice, your intensive practice, your challenging practice. Anything. Hold for a while, for some time. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. You can do any variation, you can do any practice. And now relax. Thang Chan, you both legs straight again. Namsa, lying down with the chest, facing front side. Namsa, please. Bend your both legs, hold your ankle, Gap Hai Chan, Nam Hai Ko Chan, half bow pose. Inhale and exhale, then up. 1, 2, 3, lean. 4, 5, 6, and now relax, come back. Have a 3 deep breath. Balan in Vanthosa. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. and exhale. One more time. Bend your legs, hold your ankle, gap high chin, numb high chin. Try to knee feet closer. Inhale and exhale. Now up. Lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Again, 3 times deep breathing. Balan Hidwakosa. Tatahitwa. Thawaza. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Nambua, lying down with the back. Last practice, wheel posture. Gap chin, gap thigh, bend your legs, your hands. Wheel pose, if anybody can do it, so you can try the bridge pose. 1, 2. Inhale and exhale. Now up. Come on, butt out. Up everybody. Press your palm. Lift your upper back, your hip. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, strengthening your arms, straight, hip, hold. 6, and now relax, come back, slowly, down swung, by swung, long swung, gap high chin, om high chin, bend your legs, hug your knees. Again, 3 times, deep breathing, Balan Hidwakosa. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Hemotlan, same posture, wheel pose, bend same. Come on, try. Gap chin, gap thigh. Inhale, exhale, now up. Good. So you are free to do or make any options and variations in the wheel pose. You can be thang chin, you can be gap chin, even you can close the gap in between your legs and your arms. 1, but any option you choose, keep strengthening your arms, everybody. Your knee closer, squeeze your thigh, you are both feet inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Zoe. Come back. Gap high chin, om high chin. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Again, 3 times, deep breathing. Everybody inhale, exhale, Hidwa, Thawaza, Hidwa, Thawaza. And now some try some 5, just twist on your left and right side for a few times. 2, 2, try, and 2, 2, 5. For the relaxation, and now just relax.